Establish clear and yet flexible learning goals. Students' focus and motivation increase when teachers establish clear and yet also flexible learning goals. Then, how we can do that? Firstly, establish and communicate learning goals at the beginning of an instructional unit. Next, make sure that you provide feedback on the goals. During the process, continually and systematically revisit the goals. You can ask your students to re-explain the goals in their own words too. Also, provide summative feedback regarding those goals at the end. In the processes, for example, you can use rubrics as a tool. Let's say you're teaching the topic of fractions. You have provided students with a rubric on the topic with which they can reflect upon their knowledge and skills. Next, you can ask your students to identify some aspect of fractions that they would particularly like to study. Then, in your digital or face-to-face classroom, you can organize students in pairs or groups depending on the aspect of fractions they choose to study. This kind of process supports students in getting autonomous and self-directive. It increases student learning and it supports cooperative learning and students' collaboration skills. You could also continue with further task assignments following the instructional phase. In task performance, achievement orientation together with self-awareness and self-management could be fostered through continual feedback and rubrics in use.